This Faceless YouTube channel has generated over 200 million views and nearly 500,000 subscribers from just one niche. But here's the shocking part. The videos look insanely complicated, like something made by a team of professional animators. But in reality, it's ridiculously simple. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it. In this video, I'm revealing the exact strategy behind these viral Dr. Data-style videos. And the best part? This is the same AI workflow I personally used to start cracking the YouTube algorithm. No expensive tools, no editing team, just free AI tools. And if you stay until the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create videos like this from scratch, even if you've never made a YouTube video before. Every rep counts. Every drop of sweat matters. But the real strength? It's built after the work is done. Refuel the frame. Repair. Rebuild. Return stronger. One shake. One mission. One step closer to becoming unstoppable. And if you want to build a faceless YouTube empire with videos like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Grow with Chesh, because every week I break down viral strategies most creators don't even know exist. All right, let's start with step 1, generating the script and prompts. Open ChatGPT, then click on the GPTs tab. Next, click Explore GPTs. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type skeleton shorts. And boom! This is the exact tool we're looking for. Open it. Start a new chat, because this tool will generate both the script and the scene prompts we need to build the entire video. Now type your topic. For example, I'm typing power of taking ginger tea. Now here's a little secret most people don't know. The more visual detail you add to your prompt, the better your video looks. So use descriptions like realistic 3D skeleton, cinematic lighting, glowing muscle fibers, dramatic camera angles. Basically, make it look like a Netflix science documentary. Now hit generate. ChatGPT will give you two things, a main image prompt and video prompts. And trust me, the main image prompt is the most important, because it keeps your character consistent across the entire video. Now, let's move to step 2, creating the skeleton images. Copy the main image prompt. Then go to Flow AI. Select Nano Banana Pro. Choose 9:16 vertical format. Then choose 2 or 4 versions. For this example, I selected 2 versions. Paste the prompt, click Generate, and boom! Your main image is ready. Now simply pick the best one. In this case, I'm choosing this one right here. Now it's time for step 3, animating the visuals. Upload your main image to Grok AI. Next, copy the first video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Grok, then click Generate. And this is where things get really cool. Your static skeleton image suddenly comes to life. Muscle fibers start glowing. Subtle movements appear. The camera motion becomes cinematic. Now let's move to scene 2. Copy the second video prompt. Paste it here, but before doing that, make sure you download the first clip. Then click Generate again. Within seconds, your second video is ready. Repeat the same process for prompts 3, 4, and 5. And just like that, you've created an entire AI animated video sequence. Now we move to step 4, creating the voiceover. If you want your video to feel professional and keep viewers hooked, you need a strong voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT. Ask it to create a viral short video voiceover script for your scenes. Within seconds, your script is ready. Copy it, then paste it into 11 laps. Choose a deep cinematic documentary voice, something that matches the dark scientific vibe of these videos. Now let's move to the final step,
Step 5. Final assembly. Open CapCut. Import all your clips. Keep the pacing fast so viewers never get bored. Add filters. Increase contrast. Add smooth transitions. Then add captions. Captions are extremely important because they keep viewers watching longer instead of scrolling away. Next, add background music from the YouTube audio library. It's completely copyright-free, so you can use it without worrying about strikes. Finally, export your video in 9:16 format with 4K resolution. And just like that, you have your final viral-ready video. Upload 1 or 2 videos every day. And honestly, there's a very high chance your second or third video could go viral. Yes, it happens that fast with this niche. If you want me to reveal more viral YouTube niches like this, comment the niche you want to learn below. And of course, subscribe to Grow with Chesh, because every week I break down viral strategies most creators don't even know exist.
Looking for a simple natural health drink? Try ginger tea. This powerful herbal drink can support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help your body feel warm and energized. Just add fresh ginger to hot water and a little honey for taste. One simple cup a day can be a small step toward better wellness. Start today and let nature take care of your body.